90-Day Fiancé's Annie Suwan undergoes testing at hospital after recent health concerns and heartbreaking loss. 90-Day Fiancé star Annie Suwan is pregnant with her first baby with David Toborowski and has moved to Thailand, where she's currently undergoing testing. Annie, who just turned 32, was just 24 when she met David, who was twice her age. Given how old David was, he didn't show any interest in having kids. David was also a father to 3 grown children and even had grandkids of his own. Meanwhile, Annie was more interested in adopting her brother and cousin sister by bringing them to America. Things changed quickly. With Annie now being 6 months pregnant, Annie is not even in the US anymore. She and David recently flew off to her home country after revealing that Annie had health issues and had just suffered a personal loss. Annie seems to have encountered a new health problem now after going to Pattaya. She posted a video of herself walking down the corridor of a hospital. Annie said that the doctor thought she was fat and had made her take a glucose test. The doctor wanted to check if Annie had diabetes. Annie had to get her blood tested thrice, once on an empty stomach at 8 a.m. and then followed by 2 more tests at 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Meanwhile, David kept telling Annie that she looked great and that she wasn't fat. What Annie Suwan's latest health update means amid pregnancy. Does Annie have diabetes? Annie is pregnant via IVF. She has had to deal with PCOS all her life, and given David had had a vasectomy done, it was difficult for the couple to conceive on their own. Since their soon-to-arrive baby is a miracle, David is being extra careful to provide his wife with the best of comforts. However, in November 2024, Annie revealed the heartbreaking news of the death of her grandmother. Apart from the emotional turmoil her grandma's passing may have caused her, Annie also had to deal with backache. Annie's backache was so severe that she was unable to get up in the morning. David had bought her a belt to support her back. However, there seems to be some important reason why David and Annie also decided that giving birth in Thailand would be a better option for her. Annie is expecting her baby daughter to arrive in March 2025. It means Annie will be living in Thailand for most of next year. However, now Annie has the looming threat of diabetes to worry about. Our take on Annie Suwan giving health updates throughout pregnancy. Fans are loving following Annie's journey. Annie hasn't revealed whether her blood tests revealed she had high glucose, yet it's something she needs to be careful about. Annie might now choose to follow a healthier diet with less sugar, etc., to make sure she's at her healthiest when the baby is born. Annie is really excited about becoming a mom, and David, who never wanted to be changing diapers at 60, can't wait to hold their daughter in his hands. Just like David and Annie, their 90-Day Fiancé fans are also looking forward to meeting the baby while they keep getting regular updates on Instagram.